How to create a WhatsApp group link. It's very easy. So first of all, open your WhatsApp and simply open the group that you want to create the link of. For example, this particular group. And then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on the group name right here. So if it is a new group, you will also see the option of invite via link or QR code right here. But if it's an older one and you cannot just keep on scrolling the chat, right? So all you need to do is tap on the group name right here. Then we'll get to the settings of it. Then from here, scroll down and then you can see the option of invite via link or QR code. Tap on it and then you can see this is the link. All you need to do is tap on it and it has successfully been copied to your clipboard. Now you can go back and simply paste it to whichever platform that you want. But we also have multiple different options in here, like send link via WhatsApp or share to my status, send link through your SMS or your email, or you can simply scan the QR code too. And you can also manage the permissions if you want. And just like that, you'll be able to create a WhatsApp group link. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.